The pilot project where Bureau Veritas is participating in this innovation action corresponds to the retrofitting of a bunker barge from Boluda. Different companies will participate in the design, and the supervision, both technical and on-site, will be carried out by BV, in accordance with the specific regulation for that purpose. It is of the utmost importance that the barge complies with the highest levels of safety, and therefore it has to comply with the international regulations, including Bureau Veritas rules. These rules will serve as a guide for the participating companies in the development of the design and construction, again, with the highest safety levels. While Bureau Veritas aims to collaborate in increasing the competitiveness as well as the integration of the Spanish gas sector in the newly born LNG market. This is a market in which we can increase our presence, both in gas-propelled vessels and in bunkering ships. It should place our country on the forefront of this technology. For Bureau Veritas, the priority is that the design, as well as the construction and operation, follows the requirements for quality and safety in its dual function of serving fuel as well as the novelty, in this case, which is LNG. Bureau Veritas is a classification society that was founded in 1828. Over this period of time, the fleet has been continuously increasing in size, and nowadays more than 100 million GTs are registered in their actual fleet. This leads to the fact that Bureau Veritas is one of the leaders within class societies and also a leader in the gas propulsion field, as well as the distribution of LNG. The experience gained over these last 200 years in issues relating to the safety of ships is the additional support that BV can bring to the project. This support is composed of two parts. The first is the elaboration of the regulations to comply, and the second one is the survey work in three fields: design, construction, and maintenance. Our technical skills will make sure that the project can be as efficiently developed as possible. Well, the biggest challenge that we are facing in this project is the schedule. In the design and construction of the tanks, adapting the projects to the different speeds and construction methods for the actors of the project. A really important challenge is the lack of experience in Spain regarding the installation of LNG in small-scale ships. This will be compensated by BV's experience worldwide. Another challenge will be the participation of the companies and entities with completely different locations and enterprise cultures. Well, the greatest added value from Bureau Veritas for classification of the modification is due to their vast amount of knowledge in this field. Starting from containment systems, going through the installation on board, taking into account all the modifications, structural, integration systems, etc., and ending with the operational tests. This experience is added both in the design phase as well as in the construction phase in the shipyard, and the contribution is carried out by highly skilled surveyors. Furthermore, the feedback from all the pilots in Gainn for mods will surely enrich BV and deepen our knowledge of the LNG field.